With Blum hinges, you have two adjustment screws on the hinge. This back adjustment screw allows the face of your door to move in or out. This front adjustment is side to side. So if your door needs to go out on the top, you would go to this first adjustment screw and turn it counterclockwise. Until you get the reveal you are looking for. And that looks pretty even. If the face of your door is sticking past another door or face frame, you want to go to the back adjustment screw. If the door is sticking past the frame, you're going to want to turn it clockwise. Just a little bit more. Until it's flush.